have been watching Avatar: The Way of Water and noticed this, and this, which brought me to one of the most fascinating scientific discoveries of 19th century, evolution. The difference between two tribes, Amaticaya Na'vi and Metkayina, are quite big, and that definitely happened due to different environments they were evolving. First and foremost, the body structure. Na'vi are the forest people. They jump on the trees and must be flexible and light. Metkayina are ocean people and they swim a lot, therefore their body is less slim and more muscled, since they need to be stronger. Color of their skin is a result of the tendency to camouflage among blue trees or greenish water. And of course, ocean people have a tail in the shape of the fin and also membranes between fingers, while tail of the forest people serve them to balance of big jumps. All of that reminded me Charles Darwin expedition of HMS Beagle. He was sailing for like 5 years, describing different flora and fauna of exotic lands. The most fascinating one was Galapagos Islands and finches who lived on them. Those finches had different beak structure, which brought him to the idea that probably after some geological movements of the land, same species of birds got isolated from each other and adapted, each to condition of the local environment, in this case type of food. However, Darwin's theory was not the first one of the topic. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck proposed that species could acquire new traits through their own efforts, such as the giraffe's neck growing longer in order to reach taller trees. But he was wrong. Unlike Lamarck's theory, Darwin's theory of natural selection emphasized the role of randomness and chance. In other words, the giraffe's long neck was not the result of intentional effort, but rather the random mutations that happened to be beneficial. Let me make it simpler to you. Lamarck said that there was a giraffe ancestor who looked up to the trees and were like, I need a longer neck to get there. And Darwin said that what thousands of ancestors of giraffe who had different traits, different features, completely random. Some of them could have long neck, another one short neck, third one, fluffy ears, fourth one, heart-shaped pattern on their skin, and etc. The key word is random. So most of those features were useless and individuals who possessed them didn't survive, while the one with the long neck appeared to be beneficial for surviving. The theory of evolution have been known for 150 years. Right now it slightly differs because we have genetics, but main principles are all the same, and they are natural selection, heredity, and randomness. Evolution is widely accepted as scientific fact, even by Vatican, which recognizes that some ancient sacred texts support the theory. However, human beings have disrupted the natural process of evolution through our social and technological advancements. For example, medical treatments have allowed people with genetic diseases to survive and pass on their genes to the future generations, potentially weakening the genetic pool of the human race. I'm not sure if it's a bad thing, to be honest, because it makes us less animals and more humans in a way of evolutional development. And maybe the same technology based on humanity will prevent those mutations to pass to the future generation. So let's hope for the brighter future of the human race and science. Live long and prosper.